Hey, let me show you a quick unboxing of the Huawei Watch Fit 3. And first of all, let's quickly take a look on the box. On the right side, we've got information about the application that we have to use. So this is actually the Huawei Health, and it's actually compatible with iPhones, iPads, and Android devices. On the back, there's nothing interesting. On the left side also. So now let's cut out the stickers and let's move inside and let's take a look what we can find inside the box. There we go. Now let's get rid of this upper part. And now at the first glance we've got our smartwatch. It looks really close to the Apple Watch. So there's the foil that we have to actually remove. There we go. But in my case it's a little bit dirty. Okay, now let's check if we can actually turn it on with the power button or with this crown. Maybe let's click this one. Okay, there we got the Huawei logo. So as you can see, it looks like really close to the Apple Watch, but we've got this additional, this button actually goes a little bit above the construction right here. So, and the Apple Watch is actually completely flat, but right here we've got this physical button that we can touch. And first we've got the language that we can set. At the bottom we've got another sticker. And we've got this soft band or strap, however you call it. The feeling is actually the same like on the Apple Watch. At the bottom we can find the sensor, the pins for the charger, and let's move on. Right here we can also find some paperwork, so maybe I'm not even gonna remove it. That's probably the user manual and the warranty. And right here we can find the charging cable, and this is actually the USB-A into this 2 gold pins charger. So as you can see, that's all accessories that you can find in the box on the Huawei Watch Fit 3. And right now please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.